This simple device can keep your greenhouse and your potted plants hydrated. Hi, I'm Marva, and welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. Thank you for stopping by. And remember, could you leave a thumbs up? If you have not yet subscribed, will you consider doing so? And share this video as well. Do you have a garden? Do you need to have it watered? This device may be your answer. Come with me, let me show you. So I'm here at the greenhouse, and this watering drip system is good for greenhouse, potted plants, indoor or out. And it would be especially useful if you're going to be away from your garden for a little while, for a few days. So you have this drip system. So what I did was I fill up this bottle of water, fill up this bottle with water. This is from a bottle of water that we drank. So now this is the tap water. Fill up with water, and here you have a little spout. And this spout determines how much water comes out. So you just simply turn it upside down, like so. And then you decide how much water you want to come out by turning the spout right here. That's a lot. You can make it slower. There you go. You can drip the way you want it. And then all you do is simply stick it in the ground, like so. Yeah, and I can see the water coming out. And I've had a couple in here already that I put in earlier. Once again, you put the top on, turn it over, then turn the spigot to how much water you want coming out of it. I'm going to put this over here in the back. Yeah, that's as easy. That's how easy it is. So I'm going to put some on the other side now. Now this watering drip system will only be used in this greenhouse. You can put any size bottle in here, even a 3-liter bottle. Especially if you're going to be away from the garden for a while. 3-liter bottles would be ideal. This way the greenhouse will always be hydrated. So here is what the flourishing greenhouse looks like. Plants are doing well. This is the callaloo side. I have a few more bottles to add to each side. Yes, folks. So this is what I wanted to show you on how you can keep your greenhouse or your potted plants hydrated. And while I'm here, oh, take a look at the tomatoes. This one has a lot. And these were only planted about 5 weeks ago from seedlings. Look at these large ones. And there's some on the top of it too. And here's another vine. That too has a lot on it. And this one. And this one. Here's another young one. Nothing yet. So this is what the tomato bed is looking like. And if you notice, in between them are some volunteer callaloo. So we have harvested from these recently. So what I'm going to do is give the bed a good watering right now, and then I won't have to come back out and do this tomorrow. So thank you for stopping by. Thank you for staying. And I hope this was helpful. And please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider doing so. And remember, leave a thumbs up and a comment. And I'll see you next time right here in the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden.